Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to download Steam. And hi guys again, it's me Chris, and we're going to do season 2 of ChrisTech. And so this is based on 2026, and now we're going to start. So first we're going to type Steam download. It will give the new tab and it will be Steam download. You need to click the first link over here. Steam, the Ultimate online game platform. You're going to click that. And let's see what it says. It says create, discover and download player created mods and cosmetics and so much more. Okay, so basically what we need to do here is we need to go and click install Steam. It's in the corner over here. So go and click that. It takes a long time to load. So you see, and then it says over here that we should install Steam. Let's see what it says. Steam is the ultimate destination for playing, discussing, and creating games. Interesting, isn't it? So it says that there's 35,221,125 online, and the people that are playing is 9,718,455. Amazing. It has increased the last time I checked. So anyway, we're going to install Steam. Then you see the install icon is in the corner. Let's check in. So Steam setup.exe. So we need to go into File Explorer, because normally when it's done it just stays there. So let's open File Explorer. Next is we need to go into downloads. You see over here it says the downloads. Once it loads, we'll click on it. Click on downloads. Working on it. You see, here's the Steam setup.exe. It's Steam. The file version looked like the newest version. It was created on the date it is today, and the size is 2.27 megabytes. So we're going to double click it. And we're going to it's going to run as administrator, because keep in mind if it has the shield icon, it means administrator. So you see over here, if you don't see it, it's because it's allowed not to see it. So anyway, you should click yes. Now it's going to load, and it's going to open Steam. Okay, and now after that, I can't show this because the reason is I'm using the software you probably already know is called Canva, and it didn't show the rest of the video, so I had to restart it, and I can't just rewind like I can just get the video again. So basically, what you need to do is, so the Steam setup will just run the second one, and then it's going to ask for your email and password. If you don't have a Steam account, you need to go and create one. And then you need to get a verification code after you've created the account. And so then after that, then it will say loading, something like that, and connecting to the internet. And so after that, it will open Steam, and that's when you'll get successfully a guide of what's true. You see over here, here's the Steam tab, which I couldn't show how to do it on screen, so I'll just open File Explorer. But as you can see, here's Steam, and yeah, there it is. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to watch the video that is January 24th, 2026. It's an upcoming video which is 1 hour and 16 minutes. 1 hour and 15 minutes, and it's going to show my HP laptop preset, which happened actually in 2025, but I couldn't upload it soon, so I did it in 2026 just to be fun. I didn't expect it to be that long, but I hope you see how I did it. It's like entertainment, but also you can see how to do it. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.